Have you ever opened your refrigerator only to find your milk not quite cold enough, or perhaps your fresh produce wilting faster than it should? It is a common frustration, especially when your appliance seems to be running fine. Often, a simple culprit is blocked internal vents. To check for them, first unplug your refrigerator, then visually inspect the vents inside both the fresh food and freezer compartments for any obstructions. You will typically find these vents on the back wall or side walls of each section. These internal vents are essential because they ensure the constant circulation of cold air throughout your entire refrigerator. If air cannot flow freely between compartments, your fridge cannot maintain a consistent, optimal temperature, leading to warm spots and inefficient cooling. Ready to become a detective for your delicious delights? Here is how to thoroughly check those vital vents. First, and this is super important for your safety, always unplug your refrigerator from the wall outlet before you do anything else. Next, you will want to clear out your fridge and freezer as much as possible. Look for items that might be pushed right up against the back or side walls where the vents are. Pay special attention to tall items like milk jugs, cereal boxes, or even overflowing bags of groceries. Many refrigerators have an air return vent in the fresh food section and a cold air supply vent, often located in the freezer, that pushes air into the fridge. Once you have cleared everything, give the vents a good visual once over. Are they covered by ice? Is there a rogue bag of frozen peas blocking the freezer vent? If you see ice, a minor defrost might be needed. If it is just food items, gently pull them away. A neat trick to test for proper airflow, once the fridge is plugged back in and running again, is to place a light piece of tissue paper or a thin sheet of paper near the vents. If the paper flutters or is drawn toward the vent, that is a good sign of air movement. If it just hangs there, you might still have a hidden blockage or an ice buildup that requires more attention. Remember, if you suspect ice, a full manual defrost for several hours or overnight with the doors open is often the best solution. Understanding these internal airflow dynamics can truly optimize your appliance's performance. Knowing about components like the evaporator coil, which cools the air that then circulates through these vents, gives you an insider's view into your fridge's health. Blocked vents not only make your food spoil faster but also force your refrigerator to work harder, consuming more electricity and potentially shortening its lifespan. By taking a few moments to regularly check and clear your refrigerator's internal vents, you are not just ensuring your food stays perfectly chilled. You are actively improving your appliance's energy efficiency, preventing unnecessary wear and tear, and ultimately saving yourself hassle and money in the long run. Keeping those vents clear is a simple, yet incredibly effective, step towards a happier, healthier refrigerator.